Hi, I'm going to continue talking to you this afternoon about configuring the checklists that are shown online to clients. So we're going to continue our discussion on the Georgia Home Study Checklist. A couple things to note. On the checklist section heading, you can edit this. This is section name, which is you see internally. Automatically entering section, at what point in time should this be triggered onto the client's checklist. You can set checklist section criteria. So this specific section only applies to those families in the state of Georgia. I could certainly apply program, case type, other criteria to this. I can add a memo about this checklist section. The client checklist settings allow us to put softer terminology to what the client sees. So renaming the section for just a softer appeal, giving additional memos, instructions, how you expect them to use this. And if you want any fancy fonts or links to external resources, you would add a template there. Select the template from the list and apply it here. Last thing to talk about is a new feature in checklists is creating a new section from this section. Oftentimes, home study checklists are very similar with a few minor differences or time frames for different programs. You can create a new section from this section to save you a lot of steps. Huge time saver in configuring. The next thing we're going to talk about is a specific checklist item. Each of these, the checklist item and the checklist section, both have gear icons, which you can use to edit. This checklist section's got a series of prompts. So which checklist section do we want this to apply? We have to choose a field. It's a specific date field in SAM, the completed date of what we're needing to be done. You can add a response time, responsible employees. But for families that are uploading things, you will actually specify a document field to upload. These documents that are uploaded on the checklist also create document records in SAM. And then you've got client settings. So when you check, this checklist item is going to be shown for clients. You can choose a document for download. So selecting from a list